can see on the top, you can see this pop-up is very small. So now we have to hide this one. It will be hidden and it will be visible when we will click on any button. So to hide this one, here we will add visibility hidden. So it is hidden. We have changed its position, we have changed its size, and we have made it hidden. Next we have to display it using very small JavaScript. So let's come back, and here in this pop-up we will add one ID. It is pop-up like this, and in this button, which is for the submit, we will add on click equal to, and here we will call a function. So we will add open pop-up like this, and we will add the same thing in this OK button. So this OK button is used to close the pop-up. So here we will add close pop-up, this function. Next we have to define these two functions. So here before this closing body tag, we will add script tag, script open and closing tag. And in this one, let's add a variable. Let pop-up equal to document dot get element by ID, and here we will add an ID which is pop-up. Just copy this and paste it here. Next we will define this function which is open and close pop-up. So here we will add function open pop-up, and in this one we will add a script that will be used to display the pop-up. So come back to the CSS file, you can see we have added the top and scale and visibility. So we have to change all these three properties. So here we will add some space, and let's add a class name here. We will add the class name open pop-up like this, and when the pop-up is open, this visibility will be visible, visible like this. So it will be displayed, and this top will be 50%. So it will come in the center. And one more thing, just copy this, paste it here, and instead of scale 0.1 we will add scale 1. So it will be in the original size. And in this pop-up we will add some transition. So let's add transition. Transform 0.4 seconds, comma, top 0.4 seconds. We have added this class name that will display the pop-up, but we have to apply this class name using JavaScript. So just copy this class name, come to the HTML file, inside this script. Here we will add popup dot classlist dot add, and in this one we will add a class name that we have created open pop-up. So it will add this class name, and after adding this class name, that pop-up will be visible on the screen. Let me duplicate it, and instead of open we will add close like this. And when we will call this function close pop-up, it should hide the pop-up. So here we will add remove. It will remove this class name. That's it. After adding this script, let's refresh the website again and click on this button. You can see this pop-up is coming from the top to the center. You can see the transition also. It is moving from top to center, and it is increasing its size. And when we click on the OK button, this pop-up is hidden. So finally we have created this beautiful pop-up or dialog box using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos